In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install LibreOffice on computer. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type LibreOffice download. In the results, click the official site at LibreOffice.org. Avoid sponsored ads or third-party mirrors. The official website is the safest place to get the most up-to-date version. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on a secure page. Once you're on the site, you're ready to download. On the home page, click the download option. You'll be asked to choose your operating system. Select Windows if you're on a PC, Mac OS if you're on a Mac, or Linux if that's what you use, then click download again to confirm your choice. Your browser will begin saving the installer file. Keep the tab open and wait for the download to finish. The file is fairly large and the time depends on your internet speed. If your browser asks where to save it, choose your Downloads folder. When the download completes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file you just saved. On Windows, the installer name typically looks like LibreOffice XDS in GSX64 Dura MSI. If you see a security prompt, select Run or Yes to continue. This will open the setup wizard that guides you through installation. In the installer, click Next to begin. When you're asked about the setup type, choose Typical to install the standard applications and features. This is recommended for most users and works well out of the box. Pick Custom only if you know you want to change components or the installation location. Click Install to proceed. The installer will copy files and configure the suite. This can take a few minutes, so let it run without interruption. When everything is complete, click Finish to close the wizard. Now let's launch LibreOffice. Open the Start menu, type LibreOffice into search, and open the app. The first launch may take a little longer as it prepares components. You'll see the main launcher with the core tools, Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, and Impress for presentations, all ready to use. That's it. You searched for the official site, downloaded the correct installer, opened it from your Downloads folder, completed a typical install, and launched LibreOffice from the Start menu. For quicker access next time, you can pin LibreOffice to your taskbar or create a desktop shortcut. Enjoy your new free Office suite.